Hello to all of you. I am Umar Qureshi from Dr. Sirajul Islam Medical College, and today I will discuss about the bones of the skull in very short. So let's start our topic and let's move towards our topic. Okay, so this is the front view of the skull. So today we will discuss all the bones. So this bone over here, it is the frontal bone. Then these two bones over here are the nasal bones of the left side and the right side. Then these two bones we can see are the maxilla of the right side and the left side, and these are the teeth. Okay, then this is the mandible. Okay, so all the bones we have covered from the front view. Then we will move towards the side view. So this bone over here, we can see it is the parietal bone of the left side, as this is the left side view. Then this bone, you can see it is the temporal bone of the left side, and this is the sphenoid bone. Okay, so I will show you the sphenoid bone very clearly. See, it is a butterfly shaped bone, so it is situated here. Okay, so let's move towards the next bone. This bone over here, it is the zygomatic bone, and the zygomatic bone is connected with the temporal bone. Okay, then this bone, you can see it is the lacrimal bone. Then this bone here, it is the ethmoid bone. You can see the ethmoid bone like this also. Okay, this ethmoid bone is like this. Okay, and this bone is the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone. So this is the ethmoid bone. Okay, and as I have told you, this is the lacrimal bone. Okay, so let's move towards the posterior region. Okay, so the posterior region, so this bone, you can see this is the occipital bone. Okay, so you can see a hole over here. This hole is known as the foramen magnum. Okay, so this is the occipital bone, and this hole is known as the foramen magnum. This is the main identification point of the occipital bone. Okay, then moving towards the inferior view of the skull. Okay, so this bone, we can see it is the hyoid bone. Then these are the maxilla. I already told you, just like this, these are interconnected. Okay, then this is the hard palate of the maxilla of the left side, and this is the hard palate of the maxilla of the right side. So this bone over here, these two bones, we can see it is the palatine bone. Okay, just like that, the palatine bone, see, and this is the palatine bone also of the left side. Then this bone is the vomer. Okay, then we already discussed all these bones, like this is the palatine, this is the vomer, this is the ethmoid bone. Okay, so we discussed all the bones. So here we will end our session. So please do like the video, and please do join our group and follow our page, and thank you to all of you. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then do consider subscribing, as it will motivate us to make more videos like this.